How can I recover rental car costs and loss of use for a commercial vehicle after a crash? You may be able to recover these costs if another driver's negligence caused the crash, and if your downtime is supported by records. For a commercial vehicle, the claim is not just about the repair bill, it can include the reasonable cost of renting a similar work vehicle, or the reasonable value of being without that vehicle during the time needed for repair or replacement. In North Carolina, you should be ready to prove fault, the repair timeline, the rental rate for a comparable commercial vehicle, and why the time out of service was reasonable. Keep the crash report, photos, repair estimates, final invoices, towing records, rental agreements, receipts, and communications with the repair shop and insurers. Business records can also help show how the vehicle was used and whether you had a spare vehicle available. If your own insurance company paid part of the claim, ask for a written breakdown. You need to know what it paid, what it recovered from the other insurer, whether your deductible was reimbursed, and whether any payment covered rental, loss of use, or only physical damage. Also review any release you signed when resolving the injury claim. Some releases cover only bodily injury, others may release all claims from the crash, including property damage and rental expenses. Finally, do not rely on insurance negotiations to protect your deadline. Many property damage claims in North Carolina have a 3-year lawsuit deadline, and talking with an adjuster does not automatically extend it.